This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2640BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 30 feet 4 inches in length and features an Ashland interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, spare tire kit, TV antenna, air conditioning, microwave, LP detector, self-contained, oven, smoke detector, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Bullet 2640BH is 5,400 pounds. This 2024 Keystone Bullet 2640BH. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.